So this is my equation right now in standard form already, and I have it like this already in standard form because it's easiest to factor when it looks like this. So my first step is going to be setting up the big X, and that's my method to solve the zeros for this. So you're going to put -3 up in this top box and then -2 down here. And then you want the numbers that multiply to -3 and add to -2. So it's -3 and 1. And then the next step is you're going to write that in factor form. So that's going to be x minus 3 and then x plus 1. And then you want to set those to individually to 0. So x minus 3 equals 0. You're going to plus 3 on both sides. And your x is going to equal 3. And then for this one, you're going to do x plus 1 equals 0. And then subtract 1 from both sides. And your x is going to equal -1. So those are your zeros. And so if we put that on the graph, there's going to be a spot right there at +3 and then at -1. And then if we do our quadratic, it's going to look like this. And in the previous video, using the quadratic formula, we got the same exact graph, but we had 7 total points. So we came up with the X and Y chart, and we plotted more points. But this is the general parabola that you get when you use the factored way.